Hi there, I'm Fiona, and today Susan and I are going to tell you about an exciting project we're working on focused on active travel in Wagga Wagga.
Wagga Wagga is approximately 450 kilometres from Sydney, at the midway point between Sydney and Melbourne. It is the major regional centre for the Riverina, and it is home to more than 82,000 residents.
In 2019, Wagga Wagga City Council secured funding from Transport for New South Wales through their New South Wales Cycling Infrastructure Fund to build the Wagga Wagga Active Travel Plan infrastructure. The Council also committed to further financing. The infrastructure comprises of 57 kilometres of shared pathways, the coloured lines on this map. The plan was to complete it within 2 years instead of the typical rollouts that can take decades, and the main aim of the infrastructure is to increase walking and cycling for transport and recreation.
The Prevention Research Collaboration Group has undertaken a joint initiative to evaluate the impact and outcomes of the active travel infrastructure with the Wagga Wagga City Council, Transport for New South Wales and the Health Promotion Unit of the Murrumbidgee Local Health District. The Commonwealth Research Cooperative iMove Australia funds the research under the Personal Mobility Program. The Health Promotion Unit of the Murrumbidgee Local Health District identified the evaluation opportunity. We discussed the possibility of an evaluation project and funding thanks to pre-existing relationships between our organisations. Transport for New South Wales received a research proposal from the PRC, and all participating organisations contributed to a funding bid to iMove. The partnership approach brings together local and expert knowledge and resources to evaluate the benefits of this new infrastructure for the Wagga community. There is strong involvement from all partners in project governance, active participation in data collection, and contributions to reporting.
Regional New South Wales has never seen an active travel network of this size constructed before, and there are no published findings about the impact of this kind of infrastructure in an Australian regional community. So the opportunity to conduct a natural experiment and to contribute to filling this gap in the research was too good to be missed. As an evaluation of a complete network of shared paths, we can identify factors that influence and encourage community uptake of active travel and active recreation in response to the infrastructure and barriers that limit use.
Since the timing of the infrastructure build and the timing of our project were determining factors, our research is a natural experiment. From a research perspective, the project aims to assess impacts and outcomes aligned to those of the Active Travel Plan, while providing credible findings for future active travel and physical activity initiatives. The evaluation focuses on measuring uptake of using the infrastructure for personal mobility and understanding individual and community perspectives and benefits. The project's key feature is that it provides a robust, relevant, feasible and achievable approach to measuring the impacts of the infrastructure on individuals, organisations and the community.
The research project is a mixed methods design with 3 phases of serial data collection between March 2021 and February 2024, commencing with the first 3 completed shared paths and collecting data during the progressive construction of the remaining infrastructure.
Several data collections gather information on the use of the network, including continuous data from 15 automated counters, yearly visual observations and intercept surveys, and 3 online community surveys. This data provides a profile of network users, including their trip mode and purpose, use patterns over time, and physical activity behaviour.
We have contacted the community through online surveys, interviews and focus groups to gain insights into their attitudes and behaviours about active travel and the new infrastructure. We've also reached out to management and other workplace staff, school principals and senior teachers. We're learning a lot about the barriers and enablers to active transport. We're also gaining a broad perspective from the community.
Our project owes a debt of gratitude to our partner organisations, contributors and collaborators, whose invaluable support has made all the difference. Without them, this project would not be possible.